Welcome to Reality Reviews. So, do you want to buy a trimmer which is very cost effective? This is the one. This costs just 299 rupees, and if you want to buy this product, link is in the description. Cash on delivery is also available. It will reach to your home place. Okay, so let's review this product. The brand is from Nova. The model number, which will be NHT 1076, this is a basic trimmer. We're going to review what is there inside. We're going to unbox it, and before we open this box, we're going to check out the complete description on the box. Okay, so this is how the battery life is almost 8 hours in case if you're charging for 45 minutes, and this has low voltage, and it has even silver benefits. Okay, let's check here. So it's a 3 mm cutting length. You have 3 levels. One is 3 mm, 6 mm and 9 mm. So the clip, what you get 3 types of clip and one oil bottle in case if you want to clean this, and cleaning brush, and also a charging wire. All this just for 299 rupees in case if you're buying this. Link is in the description. Okay, so this is if you want to know more about the benefits, here it is. In case if you want to pause the video, you can. Advanced cutting system, modeling, used wirelessly, convenient to operate. Let's unbox it. So when you unbox, you see there's a logo, and this has to be there. Okay, and before using this product, you need to charge it for 8 hours for the initial use. Okay, before that you do not use it. In case if you're buying it, charge it for 8 hours. Let's open this box. So once you open, you'll see a tray, and before we go into the product, there's a small user guide in case if you want to know how to remove the clip, how to clean, etc. And if you want to have a little bit of guidance how to trim your hair, how to hold it, and how to clean it, how to brush it, how to oil it, everything is there in this booklet. It's inside this box. Perfect. We're going to keep this aside, and first thing what you see is a clips. Let me open this. So as I said, you get 3 kinds of clips: 1, 3, 6 and 9 mm. This is the length of your hair, like how much you want to keep it. I'm gonna keep this, and what you see here is the oil bottling. In case if you want to clean it, you can clean it. This is the oil. Okay, do not use your normal oil. You need to clean it only with this oil. And next what you see is a charging cable. It's a charging cable in case if you want to charge it. Okay, and here comes the main product. For 299 rupees, this is completely worth, guys. So you see, this is how the model looks like. You have a branding, you have a light, and it's working. It vibrates. Hope you can hear that vibrate sound. Okay, and this is the conditions, battery life conditions. Do not put this under the water, and you have a seal of the Nova, making sure that this is the genuine product, not from a clone product, and all this. So you see, and I'm going to show you the blade. Hope you can hear that sound. So in case if you want to clip this, you can easily clip it and you can use. Instead of going with so many costly trimmers, it's always better that you go with a basic trimmer with 3 kinds of clips, 3 kinds of hair lengths, You can use the basic trimmer, which is more enough. No need to spend a lot of money. It's just 299 rupees, and also you get 1 year of warranty from Amazon seller. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. In case if you want to buy this product, as I said, it's in the description. Thank you, bye.